Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a Christmas snow scene ornament. You can give it to your friends at Christmas. This time make a mini Christmas ornament. Base made of walnut wood. Shape the base with oil-based clay. Depicting hills and riverbed. Apply acrylic paint first. Apply a layer of white latex on the surface. Plant wild grass on the hills. Leave space for the wooden house and riverbed. Create landscape with sand and stones on the riverbed. Simulate the color of sand and stones in the river. Building a wooden house using 1 mm thick Polonia boards. Cutting out the shapes of all sides of the wooden house. Marking the grain on the wood board. Cutting out the wooden door. Making window panes. Using OPP plastic bags as glass. Using glue on the glass for an old effect. Assembling the walls and roof of the wooden house. Painting the wooden house for an antique look. Make Christmas tree branches with dried plants. Sharpen wooden sticks as the trunk. Join with super glue. Install an LED light on top of the Christmas tree. Spray dark primer. Paint green acrylic for leaves. Use red clay to make red berries on the Christmas tree. Stick 2 semi-transparent stars on the top as decoration. Try the green LED light effect. Create snow on objects using white latex, snow powder, and white acrylic with a little water. Sprinkle snow powder for a more natural effect. Make rivers with UV glue. Solidify by shining UV light. Brush out river ripples with transparent water gel. Accentuate water blossom with white acrylic. Construct wooden bridges over the river. Cover the barren grassland with a layer of snow. Mesh filter ladle can make the snowflakes spread more evenly. Snowmaking on the top of the wooden house. Making fences for the wooden house. Super glue is very convenient for pasting. Add a battery switch to the back of the base. Connect the LED beads. Plant various trees around the wooden house. Wooden ladder used for the second floor of the wooden house. Cover the bottom wire accessories with thin wooden boards. Fix by gluing. Add the finishing touch, just a sprinkle of snow powder.